Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kyle from MassageBook. I've got my production assistant, Blue, here with me today. He and I, along with the rest of the MassageBook family, are working from home right now. I'm sure you understand why, and that's exactly why we're coming to you today. This is a very challenging time for everyone involved, especially all of y'all in the massage and bodywork community. Some of you have had to close, some of you are preparing to close. Whatever your situation may be, we're here to help you in any way that we can. So during this downtime, we want to make sure that you're doing everything that you can in MassageBook to keep business rolling along as much as possible. So even if you're unable to see clients right now, we've still got some ways that you can be bringing in some extra money, and that includes selling gift certificates that can be used at your business once you do reopen. Clients can purchase them for themselves, or they can buy them for friends and family. So in this video, we're going to show you how to set up gift certificates. We're going to show you how to create a promotion for a gift certificate in the event that you want to provide a little extra incentive and a discount. And then we're going to show you how clients purchase them online. So Blue said that he's ready to go, so let's go ahead and dive into it now. You can sell gift certificates by service or a custom dollar amount. Both service and custom gift certificates are set up under the marketing section of your business. But before we keep going, be sure that your business is able to accept credit card payments in MassageBook. This is needed in order to sell gift certificates online through your website. You can connect to either Stripe or Square for card processing under credit card payments in business settings if you haven't already done so. Service certificates mirror the services in your service menu under your business setup. So any service that's active and available for online booking can also be sold online in the form of a gift certificate. On this page, you'll see all of your active and online services here, and to make any available as a gift certificate, all you have to do is check the box next to the service. On your MassageBook website, there's a gift certificate page where all of these that are checked will be available for purchase, and we'll take a look at that in a bit. If you have any different durations for your service, those will also be available for selection using these up and down arrows. So it's really simple to get your service certificates set up. Just make sure you're connected to a card processor and check any of these services on this page that you want to be available. Now let's move over to the Custom Certificates tab, and we'll talk about setting up those. These are gift certificates that include a title and dollar amount of your choice. The gift code that's generated at the time of purchase will be good for the amount that you enter here. So the one that's on this page right now will be good for $50 when someone buys it. Adding a new one is really easy too. Just select Create New to get started and then enter in a price. We'll do $100 this time. Again, this determines the full value of the gift certificate. We'll cover how to sell them at a discounted rate using a promotion later on. Next, you'll enter in a description, and this is how it will be titled on your MassageBook website. If it's left blank, it will default to $100 like the $50 one is below. And then we'll check active and online so that it's available for online purchase. And then select Save to add it to your custom certificates, and you can keep adding more by selecting Create New. Now let's go take a look at how these will look on a MassageBook website. The easiest way to get there is by going to Setup and then Website Customization. When you scroll down Website Customization, you'll see a preview of your site within your account. Select Gift Certificates in the header menu, and then you'll see Service Certificates in this tab and Custom Certificates in this dollar amount tab. All a client has to do to start a purchase is select Buy, but we'll get into more detail about that later on. So at this point, you might be wondering which type should you use, service certificates, custom certificates, or both. It really all just depends on your preference and the needs of your business. Having both is nice because it gives your client some different options to choose from, but again, that's totally your call. All right, now that you know how to set up gift certificates and what they look like on your MassageBook website, let's run through how to create a promotion for them. So we'll head back to Marketing, and then we will select the Promotions tab. When you run a promotion on a gift certificate, the purchaser will pay the discounted rate, but the gift certificate will still be valued at the full amount. They're easy to set up and definitely worth giving a try right now, especially since even a little discount has the potential to really increase your sales. So to get started, select Create Promo. Under Step 1, change the type from service to gift certificates, and then give the promotion a title and a description. Both the title and the description will go on the promotion's webpage that you can share with your clients. For this example, I'm just going to enter save $10 on gift certificates through April. And then for the sake of time, I'm just going to enter description goes here. But you can consider adding things like why you're offering this deal and letting people know that they can buy them for themselves as well. So now select Next to move to step 2, and here's where you're actually going to add which services are included, which gift certificates are included in the promotion. Before we do that, it's important to know that a promotion can include multiple gift certificates, but each one is purchased separately. It does not mean that they're all being bought in one transaction. That's how I'm going to set this up now, and then later we'll take a look at how clients will see it online. I'm going to pick all the service certificates that we looked at earlier and then apply a $10 discount to each. So for the type, I'll pick between either service or custom. For this one, I'll choose service, and then I'm going to pick deep tissue, all durations, $10 discount. You can also do it by percentage, but we're going to use dollars for this one. And then I'm going to add the other service certificates as well. So I'll select add certificate, and then I'll choose sports, all durations, $10 discount, and then I'll do the same for Swedish. So I'll pick Swedish, all durations, $10 discount. So on this promotions page, a client will see all 3 of these service certificates available, each with a $10 discount. Now you can also mix and match custom certificates as well, or you can do it just by custom certificates. Same process, you'd select add certificate, choose custom instead, and then pick whichever custom certificates are available. So now that we've picked our deals, we're going to move on to step 3 and pick the dates and times. This is how long the promotion is available for purchase. So we're going to start it today on March 24th, and then we're going to end it on April 30th. So this promotion can be purchased between these dates. Now we're going to move on to step 4 and the summary. Here we can review the details of what we just picked and further define the settings for the promotion. Each promotion comes with a dedicated link that you can share with clients through email, social media, however you want. It'll take them directly to the promotions page to buy the deal, but you can also list the promotion on your MassageBook website. All you have to do is select this box here. And so on the gift certificates page of your MassageBook site, there'll be a tab for promotions. So any visitor to that page can purchase the promotion through your MassageBook website. So it's probably a good idea to do that for this one, just so you can get it in front of as many people as possible. Now you can also limit how many promotions can be purchased during the active date range. But since we want to bring in as many people as possible for right now, we're going to leave both of these boxes unchecked. Now that we're all set, we know what our promotion is going to include. We'll select Create Promotion, and that'll take us back to the promotions dashboard. To take a look at what the promotions page looks like, select the option dropdown and then View Promotion Page. This is exactly what clients will see when you share the promotion with them. Here we've got the title we added, the description, and the 3 service certificates that we included. Each have got the $10 discount and the different durations. All a client has to do to make a purchase is select this button here. But before we run through that, let's talk about how you can actually share the promotion. So first we'll close this window. If you want to quickly post it to Facebook and Twitter, you can use these share tools here, or you can copy the promotions link and share it that way. Just select the option drop down and then copy promotion link. We definitely recommend sending it out through an email campaign to all of your clients, but we won't get into the details for how to do that now. We've got another help video you can watch that covers that process. The quickest way to watch it from here is by selecting this help button and then turning on video help, and then select videos and choose to watch the how to email a promotion video. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up a new window and we'll take a look at how a client purchases a gift certificate promotion. Alright, now that we've got the promotion in a new window, this is how a client will see it when they click any of the links that you share. So let's run through what the buying experience looks like for them. To start, select Purchase Now, and then they'll select a design to accompany the gift certificate, either the emailed version or the printed version. We'll select this one, and then they'll fill in who it's for. You can choose to either email or print it. We will email in this example, and they can also include a personalized message, but we'll leave that blank for now, and then select Preview Gift Certificate, where they can take a look at what they've just selected and the gift that they're buying. Next, they'll enter in their payment details, but before they do that, they're going to need to log into their MassageBook account. They can log into an existing one, or if they don't already have one, they can create one through this page. So we will log into one now. And then enter in our password, sign in, and here is where they're actually going to enter in their credit card information. Now this is all just test information, so don't get any ideas. But once we've filled all of this in, we can go ahead and select purchase gift certificate, and that's going to complete the transaction, and the client's going to get a confirmation page once this goes through, and we can see that the gift certificate was sent to the recipient's email address, and if they want to purchase another, they can do that here, or if they selected to print the gift certificate, they'll have that option on this page as well. Now let's go back and take a look at what this looks like for a business when a client purchases a gift certificate. Back in the promotions tab under marketing, you'll see the amount sold here. So each time a client purchases this promotion, it's going to go up. You should also see the dollar amount here. However, my test account is acting up and is only showing 0. In the gift certificates tab, there's an activity section that's going to list all of the purchase history for your business. In this case, it's actually going to show the value of the gift certificate, which is $70, even though she only paid $60. You've also got access to the code, and you can see whether or not it has been redeemed. Under your business settings and outgoing messages, you can set up if you want to receive a text message alert or an email alert anytime a client purchases a gift certificate, so that way you know about any activity that's going on at your business. And now let's take a look at the purchasing client's record. So we'll open up Jane, and under the account tab, it's going to store her receipt and the gift code as well. So we'll select account. We can view receipt here. See that she bought a $70 gift card for only $60, and also when Jane purchases a gift certificate online, she's going to get a receipt. We didn't cover that back in the purchase flow for the client. However, she'll also receive a receipt to her email. And then under gift certificates, we can see that she has a $70 gift certificate and the code. So when a client goes to book an appointment online, if they have a gift certificate, they can choose to enter in the code during online booking, or if they choose to pay at the time of service, you can copy this code and paste it in during checkout to redeem it. And that's all I've got for now, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you learned a little bit and you're feeling a bit more prepared for the road ahead. If you have any questions, please contact the MassageBook support team. We're here to help you in any way that we can. We've also got a lot more information about gift certificates and promotions in the Help Center. Just select Help at the top of your page, and then you'll find a section for gift certificates, and you'll also find a section for marketing where there's more information about promotions. Again, thank you so much, and be well.